Hey everyone, okay, so somewhere along the line, beauty brands entered a bizarre competition to make the most gigantic mascara wand possible. And frankly, I have absolutely no idea who that is helping. Because unless your client has eyelids the size of dinner plates, a giant brush is just a disaster waiting to happen. Every time someone hands me one of those massive wands, I know exactly how it's going to end. Heavy, clumpy lashes and mascara smeared all over the eyelid. Nasty. It's like trying to paint a masterpiece with a mop. Now, as a makeup artist, I've spent entirely too much of my life holding my breath, praying I do not poke out somebody's eyeball while trying to maneuver a brush the size of a thumb, and then inevitably spending 5 minutes with a cotton swab cleaning up all the black dots stamped across the eyelid. I will tell you right now that precision is everything, especially when working with mature eyes. And when you're dealing with hooded lids or a loss of elasticity, space is at a premium. You need a tool that will navigate delicate skin without leaving a crime scene behind. You do not need a bigger brush, you need a better one. Which brings me to Merit's, yes, brand new clean volume mascara. They completely rejected the giant wand trend. Their whole philosophy here is a small brush, big impact. It uses a petite precision brush with a cross-hatched bristle. Now, why does that even matter, right? Because instead of just slathering product onto the surface, the cross-hatching actually combs through the lashes. This means you are getting volume through actual precision, not just slopping on excess product. Because volume shouldn't mean looking like you have 3 thick lashes glued together. It is a buildable tubing mascara that actually lifts, separates and sculpts. No clumps, no flakes, and absolutely no mess. It just catches every single lash, even those tiny invisible ones in the inner corner that giant brushes just absolutely ignore. It comes in classic black, which is stunning. But they also have made a brown version, yes. And I have to say, people severely underestimate brown mascara. For a softer, everyday look, this brown is incredibly flattering, especially if you have very fair hair or you just woke up and do not want to look like you've been trying too hard. It gives you all the definition, all the lift without screaming for attention. So please, let us leave the massive ones in the past. Get a brush that actually fits the eye and watch it make a difference. Thank you for watching. All the information right down there in the description bar, and I'll see you next time. This mascara is everything. Bye-bye.